So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this WDM2 locomotive over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll just go over here. We have different views, so we can create from any of the view. So first I'll go over here and let's create some of the details which are just left out over here. So I'll just go over here. Let's again take a box over here. So let's just create a box, drag it up and convert to editable poly. So again select this, again take a cylinder, drag it over here, slightly just push it inside, convert to poly, select this and again let's go into this and let's take a swift loop, select the edges, ring it and extrude it again by polygon, slightly reduce it. Let's click OK. Now let's go to the top section over here and let's create again a cylinder. So let's take a cylinder over here, go into this, slightly reduce its height, just drag it inside over here and convert to editable poly. And now again I will take a box over here like this, press R and slightly scale this, convert to poly, select this, ring it, let's give a bit of chamfer to it in this way and let's click OK. So I'll just resize this a bit over here and again I'll go into this front view and let's again take a cylinder. I'll just drag a cylinder over here, I'll go into this, convert to poly, select the polygons and slightly I'll just bevel it. So we can just bevel this a bit. Let's click OK. So now select again the edges. So let's select the polygons and click on the edges and let's give slight chamfer. So I can assign a bit of chamfer over here. That's it. And I will just duplicate this over here right away. Now again I'll go into this, convert to poly, select the polygons and slightly I'll give a bit of inset and let's extrude it a bit inside. That's it. So again I'll go over here, select this, slightly scale this, so duplicate it again. So we can just make this much smaller over here in this way and I can just put it in this way and scale it smaller a bit in this way. So that can be done. So select this, shuffle it inside, select this again, go to this, press 1 and push this a bit out in this way. Again take a box over here and drag it up in this way. So just slightly push it out, and let's make a copy of it, and let's click OK. After that, once it is done, I can just save this file over here. Again, I'll go over here. Besides that, again I will take one more box over here. So let's take a box, and now if you want, I can scale it all together. I can scale it all together to make it look better. Alright. So again, go over here and let's take a box. Let's put it in this way and push it inside. Convert to editable poly. Select this, ring it, and I'll just chamfer this stuff. Alright. Again, take a cylinder. So let's just take a cylinder over here, push it up, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, slightly inset it, and again bevel it a bit, and let's click OK. So you can just select these edges, and slight chamfer can be used over here. So slight chamfer, we can use this, a bit of chamfer over here. Now once this is done, I can just assign some color over here, select this part, and let's put some loops over here. So I'll go into this and I'll put some loops. So before this, I'll just put one loop. I'll just click OK, and I'll slightly just shuffle it in this way. Again select this, again I will put one loop, and again just drag it till here slightly, and again select this all loops, and let's give one connect. So I can just slightly shuffle this connect a bit up till here. Let's click OK, and I'll press R, and I can just scale it from the top. So if I scale it from the top, I can just make it much straighter. Again I will select this, let's select this, and again give one more connect, again just drag it down. Alright, so let's go over here, select this polygons and slightly extrude it a bit inside in this way. So you can slightly just shuffle it, and now over here we can just create a box again. So let's just create a box and just drag it up, So slightly reduce its, increase its height and reduce its length. Over here reduce the width and convert to poly. Select this, slightly just push this up. So you can create this over here in this way, and let's just duplicate it. So as many copies you need, you can just take the number of copies as required. So again I'll go over here and I'll shift and copy this again. So I can just push this up till here, select the vertices, drag it inside. So we can just push this a bit more up over here. And now what I can do is, if you are only looking for the modeling stuff, I'll just take a line, I'll off this auto grid, I'll on this, and let's just make this as a radial. I'll just slightly reduce the sides over here. So we can just reduce the sides. So I'll just push this. So I can just set it as 8 or 9 maximum. We can still reduce the thickness. So this is going to be much heavier. If we are going to use lattice, that would be much better. So if you are going to use this property, I'll just going to copy this like this, and I'm going to make a copy in this way. So once you are done, I can just drag it till here. Delete it, and we can just make 2 more copies. Alright, so let's again go into this. So as you can see, I can just duplicate it again. I can just drag it up till here, just drag it, push it up, select this, again duplicate it down. So I can just make the copies over here. So as many copies are required, we can create that. Alright. So again I'll just go over here, select the polygons, and slightly I'll just extrude it inside, and I'll just click OK over here. So again select this whole thing. So I can just duplicate it. So let's just group this first. So let's just group it, and I'll just go into this and I'll just mirror it in y-axis. So let's just mirror this and put it over here. So I can just slightly shuffle it out. So again select this, and let's just give a material. So you get this detailed stuff over here now. Now what I can do over here is, like, again we can just take some other reference. we can create some details. So I'll just go over here slightly till here, select the edges. Let's just save as this file. So I'll just save as this once over here. I'll just save as it as number 4 file. So we can do that easily. Alright. Now again let's give some connect over here. So I can just assign first, I'll leave some space over here, and then I'll just start assigning few more connects. So I can just select this, I'll just exclude this, and if you need it more, I can slightly just pull it more over here. So again select this, and let's give some more connects. Alright, so I'll just select this, I'll remove this part. So if you select this, if you see this all stuff over here, they are all split into 2 parts. So I can just go into this, again select this, and let's give one connect, set it at the center and click OK. So select this, set it at the center, click OK. Again select this, set it at one center, click OK. So you can just set all this at the center, click OK. Now what I can do is, like, I can just select this, so I can just go over here, I can just insert it by polygons slightly, and I can just give a bit of extrude out, very less. So the extrusion is going to be very less. Let's click OK. Again select this, let's give inset, and let's give slight extrusion, inset. So just keep on saving the files, again give a bit of inset and slight extrusion, give again the inset, slight extrusion, we can do that. Alright, again give inset and slight extrusion. So if you see this, you can see that we have got, we have done some extrusion stuff over here. Okay, I think we missed out this part, so we'll put one loop here as well. So select this both again, give inset and slight extrusion. So same way, select this both, slight inset and give extrusion. So we are going to repeat this again. So first inset, and you can then give extrude, alright. So first you have to insert it, then you can give a bit of extrusion. Alright, so select this, inset and extrusion. Alright, so as you can see what we are doing over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So as you can see, we are going through now details, blocking and details both together. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.